Practice set 3.3. Find the cube root of the following numbers. We know how to find the cube. The cube of 2 is 8. We know. When we multiply 2 3 times, then we find the cube. लेकिन हमें इसमें अभी cube roots find out करना है. Means cube root of 8 is 2. Now I start the first question. 8,000. First we simplify 8,000. 8 into 1,000 is 8,000. 8. The factors of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Means we multiply 2 3 times, then we got 8. Okay. 1,000. 1,000 we factorize 1,000. 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1,000. Means we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. 2 is 3 times, so we write 2 raised to 3. And 10 also 3 times, so we write down 10 raised to 3. So the cube is common, so I'll take bracket 2 into 10 and bracket cube. 2 tens are 20. 20 raised to 3. Means cube root of 8,000 is 20. We write down like this. Now second. 729. 729, there is a 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. It means it is divisible by 3. So I divide by 9. 729 divided by 9. 9 is 72. 9 ones are 9. So 81. We write 9 as it is. 81 is the square of 9. So we write down 9 into 9. Means we got 9 3 times. 9 raised to 3. Means cube root of 729 is a 9. Third, 343. 343. 3 means it is not divisible by 2. The addition is 10 means it is not divisible by 3. There is a note 0 or 5 means not divisible by 5. So any divisibility rule is not applicable here. So we divide by 7. 7 4s are 28. 6 is there. 7 9s are 63. So 49. 7 into 49. 49 is a square of 7. So 7 into, we write down 7 as a 7 into 7. So we have 7 3 times. Means 7 cube. It means cube root of 343 is 7. Fourth, minus 512. There is a biggest number. 2 is there. So divisibility 2 का divisibility rule apply होगा. So 512 divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 is there. 2 5s are 10. 1 and 2. 2 6s are 12. So 256. 2 as it is 256. 2 into 128. So we write down instead of 256 2 into 128. 2 as it is instead of 128 we write down 2 into 64. Cause 64 2s are 128. 2 as it is. The factor of 64 is 2 into 32. Cause 32 2s are 64. The factors of 32 is 2 into 16. Cause 16 2s are 32. Factor of 16 is 2 into 8. And factor of 8 is 2 into 4. And factor of 4 is 2 into 2. All are prime numbers. So I'll make the group of 3 numbers. These 3, and these 3. Means we have 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, 3 times. So I write down 2 whole bracket raised to cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 raised to 3. Means cube root of 512 is a minus 8. That's it.